there's Eleanor. She's laying next to me on our little ratty love seat. And I'm going to show you a bad habit we have. Here you go, sweetie. Eleanor likes cookies. I've been making her eat them out of my hands so she, hopefully it'll help her feel even more comfortable with me. Now she's laying here very nicely, and as long as we were sitting like this, we'd probably be able to sit here all day. And there Chamberlain wants to get some too, don't you, buddy? Don't worry, you'll get some. You get some, old guy. Now, if our positions were switched and I was on the left and she was on the right, she wouldn't be nearly as comfortable. And she probably wouldn't stay sitting there next to me for very long. So she's definitely conscious of our positioning. The same with her walks. She's got to be on my right-hand side, otherwise she starts to freak. So she still has some work to do, don't you, sweetie pie? And for those of you who have been following, she's been with me for about 10 months now. I'm reaching around to get another cookie for her. And she has still never yet come to me when I've tried calling her. She knows her name, she understands certain commands now like stay and such, but she won't come to me. She still wants to avoid human contact whenever possible. But I'm hoping something like this will help her to feel different about that. Having a human around can be kind of nice sometimes, can't it? But again, she's a former puppy mill mama dog. And they come around a lot slower than other damaged dogs, and I've had quite a few damaged dogs over the years that I've rehabilitated. But she's definitely much more challenging than the others. But that's okay, she's worth it, isn't she? Look at that cute face. Say hi to everyone there, Elle. Yeah, what a good girl. She's still quite timid though, as you can see, but she's getting a wee bit braver all the time. You want to say bye to everyone? One final look at the camera? That's a girl. And there's Chamberlain, and there's Calypso, and we'll say goodbye for now.